Hello, welcome to my channel Faisal Aziz. Today we continue about this topic, animals inner class. So if anyone asks you, is it the same thing between animals inner class and Lambda Expression, or we can use both each time? No, I said before, no, we can't. It is not allowed, okay? Only if we can do it, we do it. Okay, so why? Because animals inner class and Lambda expression isn't equal. It's not the same concept, okay? So now I will show you different case to each goal. Okay, I will start case by one. I will understand why I will do this, okay? So, for example, the first case, I have a class test. Okay, or my class, this class, my class. It's simple class without anything. I don't enter in detail what it contains, but the concept is to understand I have a concrete class here. Class, my class. So this will make my class, mine, equal new my class. And here I will open curly braces and we close curly braces, and between them there is some statement, okay, or method. Here I have an anonymous inner class. Okay, I have an anonymous inner class. What that means, I have created an anonymous inner class that extend a concrete class, that is here my class. Okay? Yes, we can do it, of course. So I will repeat. When I create an instance for my class, I create an anonymous inner class that extend a concrete class. It is my class for this example. Now let's create another class. Second case. I have an abstract class, my class. Okay? After this I will make my class equal, or object equal, new my class, and I will open also curly braces and I close curly braces and I put inside my anonymous inner class. Yes, I can do this. So for this case, the anonymous inner class extend from abstract class, that is my class. Okay? We have do it for concrete class, and now for abstract class. Let's see the third case. What is the third case? Case 3. I have an interface, my interface. Inside my interface I have 4 methods or 3 methods, as you want. I have more than one method. Okay, for example, eat, go out, I don't know, to string, compare, what you want, okay? Calculate the sum. I have M1, M2, and M3 method. Public void M1, public void M2, public void M3. Now, what I will do, I will do an interface, or my interface, I equal new about my interface, and here I will create a open curly braces and I will define my anonymous inner class also. Okay, to implement the 3 methods of the class, of my interface. So, when I inside my curly braces, I will put public void M1 and I will define the first method M1. I continue, public void M2 will define data f M2 and to M3. I close my curly braces. So here I have an anonymous inner class that implements an interface which contain multiple methods. I repeat, I have created an anonymous inner class for an interface, is my interface, which contain multiple methods. Okay? It's very important what I talk about. Okay? I don't know in detail about what is inside method or class or interface, but I will show only the core. It's very important to understand the concept. Now I will go to the case 4. What I have in the case 4. I have also an interface, my interface, but it contains only one abstract method. Only one method, that is, for example, public void m1, or to string what you want. Okay, now I will make my interface, and I equal new, my interface, and open curly braces, and I will define also anonymous inner class that implement my m1 method. Okay, so public void m1, open curly braces, put what you want, a statement, close, and close your declaration of my interface. Here I have create anonymous inner class that implement an interface with only one abstract method, that is m1 for this case. Okay, so we have 4 cases. What we have? We have the first one. We can create anonymous inner class that extend from concrete class. Okay. The second one, create anonymous inner class that extend from an abstract class. Third is to create an anonymous inner class that implement an interface which contain multiple methods. Okay, more than one. Multiple means more than one method. And the case 4, we can create an anonymous inner class that implement an interface which contain only one abstract method. Okay? Now the question is, I want to transform all this anonymous inner class to Lambda expression. That's the goal, what I want. Yes, what I want to do. In the first video, this is the goal. I want to transform this all anonymous inner class to Lambda expression. Can I do it or no? For this case, I have 4 cases. Can I do it? I can do it only for one case here. Which one? Is only for the case 4, for the interface that contain only one abstract method. Okay? For functional interface. Do you see now? We can change. I have given you an example. We can do all transformation of anonymous inner class to a Lambda expression. Okay? So, we can do it only for the case when we have an interface that contains only one abstract method. So I have that you have understand this concept. Why now we can't transform each time our anonymous inner class to Lambda expression, because it is not the same concept. Okay, but when we can do it, we do it as the case 4 here. Okay, I hope that you have been familiar now with this anonymous inner class, and I think I can continue in next topic with this. And I will see if I will make an example. I will see, or to jump another topic. I will see. Okay. So see you in the next topic, inshallah. Practice. You can practice this example. You can do a simple class for 4 case. You can do no problem. For example, for the 4th case, what you will do directly, how to transform is very simple. Test equal. My interface I equal. We have not new my interface, etc. Directly, we define the m1 method. It means we don't have parameters, so we open parentheses, simple arrow, and put what you want statement. Okay, you want one statement or more, what you want. Okay, it's very simple to transform here. Okay, so see you in next video, next topic. As I said, I will see if I continue with the concept of animals in a class, or maybe something another. I will see. Okay, just practice, please practice. Allez, goodbye. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.